So today I'm doing this unboxing with Fab Fit Fun. This is the spring box that I got and I'm very excited. It's subscription based, so you get a box 4 times a year. They do one for each season. You can do the annual subscription where you prepay and it saves you $20. That gets you, and it'll be $54.99 a season. Or you can do one single box, which I have one single box. That's $59.99, but I have a code for y'all to save you some money. My code DJ20, you would only be spending $47.99 for your first box, which it doesn't sound like that's much of a difference between like 59 to 47, but it's a value that is up to $300, which is crazy. But it's because the stuff that's in this box, most of it is well over the cost of the actual box, which is why it's such an amazing deal. So I gotta get into the unboxing, but I just had to stress that to y'all, that like the actual cost of the box, the stuff that's inside supersedes it. Cute. Oh, they did the box like this for this season because they are turning 10. So you got a little birthday with the birthday cake for the birthday girl. Happy birthday, Fab Fit Fun. Now, let me figure this out. Here we go. So, and we love a sustainable, earthly, cautious company. Like, take care of our planet. We only get one Mother Earth, so we have to love and cherish her. This box is made of 100% recycled craft material. So here's what we're getting into. And then, you guys, I swear, like, everything in here, oh my gosh. Okay, so the boxes are customizable. When you go on there, you get to pick and choose. Like, they give you options. Ranges from like beauty products, home products, fitness products, fashion, like, it's amazing. But the crazy, I just can't get over how, like, literally I'm looking at this Necessaire, the body serum. Do y'all know how much this costs? Like this, I've been wanting to try it. Everyone's super obsessed with it, but I'm like, I didn't want to buy it because how much it is. But I got it here out of this box with countless other things, and it's just, I'm so pressed for this. I'm so excited. The body serum is daily rehydration treatment for the skin. Features 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to help prevent and replenish dehydrated skin. I'm so excited. Yes. They're not gonna like chump change you and send you like travel size stuff. You're paying for a box that comes with all full size products. Next, I also got this Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. I'm really excited for this because I feel like a gel cream moisturizer would be good for the summertime and won't make me look super greasy, or you know, if that makes sense. Summer Fridays is a great brand too. Ultra lightweight gel cream infuses thirsty skin with 3 types of hyaluronic acid and ceramides for non-stop skin plumping hydration. Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. I'm obsessed with lips, lip treatments. Lip quenching sleep mask that lavishes lips for all night long with its lightweight hydration, non-greasy formula, castor seed oil, shea butter, mango seed butter, and vitamin E. I got some panties. I think I got 2 different ones. Can never have too many. I don't, yeah, it's 2. Blue. Oh, they're actually thongs. Or panties, whatever. Blue. Purple. And then this is heavy. What is this? Wait a second. Wait a second. So I kind of forgot like some of the things that I picked. So I'm like, you know, it's still like a surprise because you pick you of course do like your first choices and stuff, but if they're unable to accommodate that, they do like their best just to make sure you still have like a box that you love. Like, so I kind of forgot all the things that I picked and stuff. This Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. This is for hair. Yes, this is for hair. I've heard great things about this brand too. I have a lot of hair though. I don't know if there's gonna be enough. This is a full-size bottle though, but I'm just saying, I don't know if it's, you know, I might go through this like within 2 uses, 2 or 3. This, I'm looking like, what is this? Makesy DIY Luxury Diffuser Kit. Hold on a second. So you see, I got a variety of stuff. We've covered like beauty, a little bit fashion, and then now home. Wow. So it's like a whole kit. Comes with this, the reeds. Like a, oh, almost poked my eye out. Cashmere and vanilla. You already know that's gonna smell delicious. And then I guess this is just the base. This is the fragrance. So I'm super stoked. I'm super excited. Wow. I feel like I really just came up. It's definitely something that I suggest you look into. Whether you want to see if you can save on like your Holy Grail products and shop with them, or if you're looking to just try new things every so often with the box, it's just an amazing deal. If you're looking to try out a box for this season, use my code DJ20 to save 20% off. That'll bring the box from $59.99 to $47.99. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy birthday, Fab Fit Fun!